that was a cop. Holy f***.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video, I'm going to be jumping into 31 and probably doing some skids honestly, just because there's not much else to film and I've got fuck all time to make a video. So, going to tighten up the clutch on 31, or sorry, loosen off the pedal so it's pushing the engagement point back a little bit, I think it is. And then we'll go for a little skid and see how she handles some corners. Before we jump into 31 though, here's something I was really keen to show you guys. Garage space. So originally the plan was to park the 32s outside for a little while, just under cover. But the wind here gets so bad, I'm sure as you can probably tell from right now, that the covers just didn't last. Even with like ratchet straps around them, they were ripping past that point. They weren't the best covers, but some strong wind. So we ended up clearing a space in the garage, and now the 32 gets to sit pretty in the garage. And the black car, it's also in a garage space, but not in that garage space. But yeah, 32's in the shed. It means I'll be able to work on it rain or shine. Lighting might be a bit shit at first, but hopefully I'll be able to sort that out and then we'll be sorted. Alrighty, lock diff time. That was measly and sad. One wheel's all we got. No sideways action, just pushing through the corner with one wheel spinning. Oh, that's sad. God, that was a cop. Holy f***. If I had done one more circle, I would have been fucked. Holy crap. Oh. Alrighty, well I know none of you can see me, but I hope you have enjoyed this week's video. A bit more shenanigans than usual. Definitely looking forward to doing some more mischievous stuff in this car, especially once the diff is locked. As you can see there, I was like clutch kicking it, it was just spinning one wheel, and until it had the momentum in it to push the other wheel out, it just wasn't actually drifting, and it was, if anything, probably a bit dangerous, because once it did lose traction